Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new, welcome. My name is Faith, and today I'm going to be doing a full face of Miss A makeup. Everything on the website is $1, so every piece of makeup that I use today cost me $1, which is crazy. I definitely found some really good products, especially for the price of $1, so make sure that you stay all the way through because I would say most of the really good products don't come until the end. So make sure you watch all the way through. We also had some complete disaster products that you will see. As you're watching, if you like what you see, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to become a part of my notification squad. Other than that, let's get right on into the tutorial. Okay, so first we're going to start with primer, as always, and what I picked up was this AOA Studio Wonder Skin Illuminating Primer. It is quite thick, very thick, and definitely luminous. I like that there's like a tacky feel to it. This almost feels thick enough to be like a cream highlight. It doesn't have a weird smell or anything. I know sometimes like cheaper products tend to have weird chemical-y smells. I'm not getting any of that. I feel like I look like an Instagram model who has put those like dewdrops all over her face. Not mad about it. Okay, next is foundation. This is the LA Colors liquid makeup. It's quite thick. Ooh, it's like really moussey. It definitely has almost like a baby powder smell, which if you guys watched my Amazon makeup tutorial, a lot of this stuff smelled like baby powder. It was so weird. I also picked up a sponge. This is an AOA beauty sponge and it feels really good. It feels like a beauty blender, so I'm very interested to see. Oh, hi Kip. I feel like the foundation just disappeared. Let me zoom you in on this side and show you what I mean. Speaking of Kip too, if you can see like 2 scratch marks. Yes, that's from Kip. Him and I were playing in bed and cuddling and his paw just like, psh, he didn't mean it. He didn't do it on purpose, but lovely mark. So let me just show, like that looks like no coverage whatsoever. This doesn't have any like claims of light, medium, or full coverage, but I feel like it just disappears. I don't know if it's the sponge sucking everything up. At best, this is a tinted moisturizer. Let's do some with a brush and just see if it's any different. I'm gonna use this flat top kabuki brush from Bare Minerals and just squirt some of this. Oh, it's so thick. It like takes a lot of finger strength. So let's just see if this gives us more coverage. If it was the sponge, ooh, do you see how streaky that is? This brush never gives me streaks like this. I'm gonna go ahead and say it's the foundation that's the issue, not the sponge. It kind of like stings my skin. I don't like that. I'm just gonna use the sponge to get rid of those streak marks, and this is as good as it's gonna get for foundation. Hopefully the concealer I got works better. For concealer, I got this A20, oh, it's AOA. It's AOA Beauty UHD concealer, and I picked up the shade Porcelain. It has a brush tip, so we will, oh, it feels so thick. I have to like literally squeeze with both hands to get product out of this. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so thick. I'm gonna put some on the eyelids because I'm gonna use that as like an eyeshadow primer. We'll put, oh, this smells like paint. Legitimately like paint that you paint your walls with. Oh, please don't break me out. We're gonna use the sponge. Oh my gosh, it's like plastered on. Oh, This won't even blend it out. It's literally like spackle. Oh my gosh. I literally feel like I have spackle on. Oh my gosh, I just looked in the viewfinder. Oh. I look like a clown. What do I do? This is not doing it. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna use my brush. Please. Oh my gosh. This still has that leftover foundation on it. Gross. Oh. I don't know if this can be saved, you guys. I look like I'm doing some sort of like special effects makeup. I have higher hopes for the other products, but this, you guys, is so, oh my gosh, I'm so white. Just gonna blend. My face is so, look at my face compared to my arm. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? So not cute. Okay, I'm gonna try and fix this with this contour stick that I got from LA Colors in medium to contour. The shade is medium to contour. So I'm gonna go ham with this because I need some color because I look like a ghost. This is going on nicely like this. Oops. This reminds me of like the KKW contour sticks that came out. Like it's the same sort of like very precise shape. Oh my gosh. My white concealer is getting on the tip of this. Gross. Get on there. Stick down. Nose needs help. We'll do that. Like I literally never contour my jawline, but I'm going to do it just to try and color match my face to the rest of my body. Okay, I'm going to take my Delium Duo Fiber Face Shading Brush and blend this out. Blend, please. All this stuff is so freaking thick. I think this is saving me. I mean, from far away. Okay, I have this AOA Studio Perfect Setting Powder. I got Soft Light is the shade. I just dipped my sponge into this and I'm going to set my under eye. I'm going to kind of like slim the nose, like further contour it by baking along the sides. Okay, I'm going to do my brows. I bought this LA Colors brow pencil. It's a little dry. Like it's not very creamy. I normally like a creamier, waxier pencil, and this is kind of dry, but it'll do the job. Brows are filled in. Let's swipe away our nose and under eye bake. I also want to set my brows. I got this AOA brow gel. It's called Go Brow. And this is dark brown. This reminds me a little bit of the Glossier one because it's a very small spoolie, which is nice. It's like pretty moussey. It's not stiff. Yeah, all in all, I would say this is a good little brow gel. Let's do the eyes. So I got this Santee Nude Smoky Classic eyeshadow palette. I'm going to start with this Delium Tapered Blending Brush and go into this more warm brown shade. I mean, so far so good. Yeah, I really like that color. Okay, I'm going to go into the darker brown shade, and that's probably it. I think I'm going to use the highlight I got to put that on the lid and in the inner corner. These are not bad matte eyeshadows for $1. I've been liking to take my crease shade, like whatever's left on the brush, and kind of bring it in here, almost like a little bit of a nose contour. Okay, let's do blush. So I got this Malibu Glitz blusher, and it doesn't say the shade name, but I'm super excited for this. It looks like really pretty. It seems very pigmented. Woo! Yes, yes to the pigment. And a little on the nose. I would also recommend this. Okay, now let's get into the highlighter. First, I'm going to use it on the eyes, and then we'll highlight the cheeks. So What? Okay, so I got this AOA Studio Wonder Baked Highlighter, and this is the shade Snap. Looks like this. Kind of feels like one of the e.l.f. baked highlighters. Okay, okay. Ooh. It's like a nice soft sheen. I'm gonna take this little pencil brush and pop some of this in the inner corners and brow bone. I'm gonna take some on my finger and put it on the lid. The true test will be the cheekbones. Ooh. Ooh. That's nice. It is a total like sheen. It's not glittery. Normally cheap highlighters are like just a bunch of glitter. This is like really pretty, and they have so many shades. So many shades. Let's finish off the eyes. I did get a liquid eyeliner from I think it's the same brand as the blush, Malibu Glitz. And this is their eyeliner. It's a waterproof liquid long wear eyeliner. I haven't done liquid eyeliner in a long time, so. Dude, this is black. Even like some of my Revlon liquid liners, those are like $6, $7 at the drugstore. They're not this black. Maybe this is another discovery. Okay, next I'm going to apply these lashes that I got on the website on Shop Miss A. These are the Cara eyelashes in the style 43. I might have to cut them. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna cut off probably like the last 2 segments. Let's put on these babies. I need my mirror again. Speaking of mirrors, check this out. I got this online. It was actually sent to me from Ham Swan. I will link it down below. Last step, I think, yes, is lips. And I got this Sante. It's the same brand that the eyeshadow was from. Matte liquid lipstick, and this is number 5 is the shade. It smells very fragrant. I like the color. It's like an orangey nude. It's more like a comfort matte feeling. Like it doesn't feel super dried down. It definitely appears matte, like it looks matte, but I highly doubt this is going to be transfer proof. Just FYI. Let's fix the hair. Okay guys, so this is the finished makeup look. Tell me what you think down in the comments. Do you think it turned out good? Can you see like any of the nasty concealer and foundation through the rest of the makeup, or is the final result impressive to you? I mean, all of this stuff was $1, so 1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Total cost $13, $14, so total makeup look for under $15 for sure. I think it's pretty good. I can't believe it. I totally thought, again, like I said earlier, in those first few steps I was quite concerned, but I think that the overall effect and makeup look is pretty fantastic for under $15. I hope you guys enjoyed this Miss A makeup tutorial, full face makeup tutorial and review. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell if you haven't already to become a part of the notification squad. I see you guys down there and I love you guys. Other than that, I will see you in my next video. Bye!
It is a good thing I have no plans today. I have nowhere to go, like, thank goodness. I look like a corpse. Literally, I look like the corpses and when they do the makeup to make them look alive. Like, this is corpse makeup. Oh, I keep looking in that viewfinder and it's scaring me, so I apologize if you're watching this with any little children and they are now going to have nightmares.